Welcome to Creative Connector's straight shelf installation on the silhouette shelf, on the Orna-Mantel shelf, and on the Décor shelf.
They come in 4 sizes and 3 colors: 8.5 inch, 14 inch, 29 inch, all of them 5.5 inches deep. Rest the top of the shelf against the wall at the position you wish to have it installed. Making sure it's level, draw a line where the wider part of the opening is. Place the screws in the connector and mark where the holes are to be drilled. Drill the holes. Place the plugs into the holes. Secure the plugs. Screw the connectors into the plugs. Line up the wider part of the opening on the back of the shelf with the connectors and slide it on. You have some adjustment of where it sits. Everything is hidden.
Thank you for showing an interest in Creative Connector's products. Call us anytime.